Simplifying radicals or surds can be tricky at times, but just by looking for perfect squares as factors of your numbers under the square root is the key to solving these radicals. So first of all, we need to learn which numbers are the perfect square numbers. For example, 1 is a perfect square. 2 square is 4, so 4 is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square, and then 16, 25, 36, these are all perfect square numbers. 49, which is 7 square, 8 square is 64, and then we have 81, and 10 square 100. So this list goes on, and you need to have these on top of your head before you start simplifying surds or radicals. So let's say, for example, square root of 75. Now, what are the factors of 75? Like, you need to look for factors that are perfect square. So 75 can be written as 25 times 3. And 25 is a perfect square. So radical 75 or square root of 75 can be simplified to 5 radical 3. This is easy. This is 4. That's 6. This is 8. Now 80. What is the highest perfect square that is a factor of 80? Well, 16 times 5 is 80. So we can write radical 80 as 4 radical 5. Now, square root of 30 or radical 30. Well, factors of 30 could be 2, 15, 5, 6, 3, 10, but none of these are perfect squares. So radical 30 will not be simplified, cannot be simplified any further. You can just leave it like that. However, 8 can be factorized with 4 times 2. So the square root of 8 is 2 root 2. 18, well, that can be 9 times 2. And so this can be simplified to 3 radical 2. 32 can be simplified to 16 times 2, and that is 4 root 2. 12, well, 4 times 3 is 12, so this can be simplified to 2 root 3. We have some more examples. Let's try these. This we have done already. This was 2 root 2. 108. Well, 108 can be factorized to 36 times 3. Yeah, and so this will be simplified to 6 radical 3. 125, well, this can be written as 5 times 25, so that is 5 root 5. 50, well, that's pretty easy, 5 root 2, because 50 is 25 times 2. 175 can be written as 25 times 7. So that will give you 5 root 7. 28 is 4 times 7, so that is 2 root 7. 45 is 9 times 5, so that will be 3 root 5. 72 is 36 times 2, so that means this can be simplified to 6 radical 2. 20 is 4 times 5, so that can be written as 2 radical 5. 150, well, 150 can be written as 25 times 6. And so 5 square root of 6.